guys, welcome back to Full Life Auto, and I hope you enjoy this video. This video is to teach you about how to check your coolant in your car the right way to know if you need to be replaced. And this one is with a voltmeter. So guys, if you this is the next video, and hope you enjoy this video, and hope you don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section, guys. And let's get the video on the way, guys. Hope you like this one. This one is for you guys to check your coolant in your car with a multimeter, a voltmeter. All right, guys. Catch you on the next video. Catch you on the video now. Thank you for subscribing. And if you subscribe, don't forget, click the thumbs up if something helped you. Click the thumbs down if you don't like something. I could be better, guys. We're not looking for just positive. We're looking for just positive comment, but we're trying to help the negative one to come positive. All right, guys. Without any further ado, this brings you into the video. All right, guys. So welcome in the video, guys. This is going to show you how to test your coolant with a multimeter in your car to find out if it want to change. Because sometimes you look at the color, guys, but the color can't tell you all the time. But this is the exact proper way to do it with a voltmeter. So you just set your meter on volts, and guys, we're looking for anything from the 0.5 and down. So if we get 0.5 up, then your coolant need to change, guys. And coolant is the thing, guys. It's very important in your car, guys. So it need to change while it need to change. So guys, as we can see here, the meter is going down to 1, right? So this is our coolant here. I recommend putting your ground on the battery terminal like this, on the ground side, and then you put your coolant lead inside the coolant. So guys, as you can see, I have 0.1. Guys, see that 0.1? Because I just replaced this coolant, so this coolant is good. And guys, why read this coolant read like this? Because in the coolant have a galvanic properties, a corrosion properties that loses corrosion to keep the internal engine very safe and very clean from rust and corrosion. So it loses that, guys. So anything like 1, 2 at the end here, 3, 4, 5 is all ready to change. Guys, I know this might sound crazy, but that's how you do this test. You put it on the ground, put it in the coolant, and then any volt you get, 1, 2, 3, 4 is good, but 5 is you need to replace. So I advise you, if you reach to 4, then you should please consider changing the coolant, guys. So this is just a simple test to test your coolant in the car, guys. And I just make other videos how to check your coolant in the car, out the car, visual inspection, and the transmission, guys. So check out the other videos if you like. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and click on the notification button. If you like anything, say something, guys. So you put the meter on voltage, and you want to get the point, because you could always arrange the point, but but you want it to the last digit at the end. And guys, and if you put the meter different lead, it can work too, but it's gonna get a negative reading, but it's gonna be the same thing. So that's like I say, guys, 0.1 coolant is good. I just put the fresh coolant in this car, so it read 0.1. Anything over, so that's meaning it still have the full properties, and it didn't lose any properties value, so it read 0.1. It's just like if you're using an ohm meter and you got 000 when you check the wires, that means it's good connection. If it's not, the numbers will go up. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And this is how you test your meter, test your coolant in your car to see if your coolant time to replace. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helped you anyway. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, like, share, and tell your friends, guys. Don't be shy. And guys, have a good day. And this is how you test. If you don't understand anything, leave it in the comment. I'll try to answer you as soon as I can. Thank you, guys, and have a good day. I'm out.